on statistics. In this video, I will tell you what is statistics and what are the basic terminologies in statistics and what are the types of statistics, what is the use of statistics with examples and what are some definitions. See what is the objective of this video. In this video, I am going to tell you what is statistics, why statistics, what is what is descriptive statistics, what is inferential statistics, some definitions in like what is population, what is sample, with some examples. Let's let we can see what is statistics. We all know that statistics have a different definitions by different authors for related to time and in the situations. And see according to the Bowley how he defines statistics. Bowley defines statistics as a numerical statements of the facts in any department of inquiry placed in a relation to each other. Means what is statistics? Statistics deals data, we know, that is related to numbers. He himself defines that there are three different ways. Statistics may be called as the science of counting. Yes, of course. It is a statistics is a part of science. Statistics may be rightly be called as the science of averages. We know that in for example we can take one example. Statistics is there in biostatistics, statistics is there in mathematics, everywhere is statistics is there. If numbers are there, then statistics is also there. See what is the third definition. Statistics is the science of measurement of social organism regarded as whole in all its manifestations. Now see what is the formal definition of statistics. Statistics is defined as a collection. For example, we can collect some data from survey or questionnaires or interviews. Then we can analyze it. Means analysis means we can tabulate it or by graphically, by charts. We can there is different tools are there by for one. Then interpretation. Then for of numerical data means statistical data deals with only numerical data. Statistical data deals with only numerical data and it is mostly related to mathematical parts. See, statistics is the science of data. Let us see one example of statistics. For example, we can take the height, weight. Weight, we can take weight of 5 people, say 25, 31, then 26, then 29, then 34. Now we can calculate it mean and variance. Mean means the average. For average we need to sum of valuables by number of observation. For standard deviation we need difference between values from their average. We can apply some formulas, we can find the values, like we can all things we can do in later on lectures. We can step by step. This is just introduction to what is statistics and what is. See now, see why statistics. Here everyone mind running is why. Why statistics? Let us see. For example, we need future value, or present value, or past value. For by using Markov chain, we can predict future values. By using regression also, we can predict future values. And one more thing, we can by Markov chain, just based on present value, we can define future value, not based on past value. In for regression, we need past value also. All things we can see on later on lectures. See, statistics is mainly related to data. For in sampling it will be useful. Lot of applications are there in statistics. We can see all things. L- this is just introduction. You can read it, you can understand. Now see what are the basic terms. We know that measurements means like central tendency, dispersion, skewness, kurtosis. Now see what is data. Collection of measurements, collection of information in numerical facts. In numerical facts, see what is sample, part of population. What is population? Complete information comes under the statistical investigator. See variable means there are two types variable, that is discrete and continuous. We can see all these definitions with examples, all things in later lectures. Now you can understand what are the basic terms in statistics only. Let us see what there are two types of statistics are there. That mainly there are two types. This is descriptive statistics, and number two is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics deals with numbers. Descriptive statistics deals with numbers. The descriptive statistics deals with numbers. For example, we need to find average of weight, average of height, or number of people in the society. Like that, we can take it as an example of descriptive statistics. For example, then we can format it as a table and graph, and we can organizing data on descriptive values, average score to use it to memorizing data. These all things comes under the descriptive statistics. Now there is full detailed lectures are there on descriptive statistics. Just you understand what is what. Now we can see inferential statistics. Inferential means, for example, one population is there. We can draw some samples, and we can apply some testing of hypothesis like estimation. Then inferential part mainly contain two parts. Number one is estimation. Estimation. Number two is testing. Hypothesis. Hypothesis. This is fully related to population and sample. Population and sample. There is lot of testings are there, lot of estimations are there. What are the ideal estimators? What are the best estimators are there? And biasness, consistency, efficiency, sufficiency. All this we can see on later on lectures. See what is the difference between probability and statistics. Probability means science of chances. In statistics means science of data. Probability, for example, we can toss a coin. What is the chance of probability for tail or head is of 0.5, 0.5. That will be related to probability. And statistics means collecting and processing and presenting, analyzing, interpretation of data. You can understand this. This is my data. See, this is data. This is statistical tools. These are the information. Finally, we got this. See what is population. See, the entire group of individuals is called a population. Means, for example, a researcher may be interested in the relationship between the class size variable 1, variable 2, performance in the academics. This all comes under the population. The set of data corresponding to the entire collection of units, which is information is enough. See, this type of definitions are there for population. First, sample means part of population. Sample statistics is a statistic, and for population we have parameters. Now what is sampling? See, for example, population is size is very high, that time we can use sampling. This is population. Total is a population. Part of population is a sample. See what is the process of sampling. In From population we can take samples and we can testing, and finally we can conclude that from sample. This is sampling error. This is simple example related to the uh, population and samples. There is 1000 students are there in college. Their average age and average IQ 65% females, 35% males. They can take two samples and they can applying testings. This will be thank you so much.